Hello everyone, welcome to the stream. Hope everyone's doing well. Yesterday I wasn't doing so well, which is why I missed the stream. But today we're all good, and we've got Trello open ready to figure out what we're gonna do next. It's gonna be regarding the trophies. So let's have a quick look here. Not yesterday or last night, the night before, I did wake up with an idea of what I did wrong with the trophies and how I should do it. And I commented really quick. It was at 1 a.m. Oh, it was yesterday. Yesterday at 1 a.m. then, yeah. Utility should return array of trophies earned as it is not sequential to time. Blame the developer trophy. Okay. So what I mean by that is before we had it in an order of bronze, silver, gold, and then developer, and the times would decrease as the trophies got more rarer to get, I guess, or more important to get. That's no longer the case. Developer isn't necessarily a better trophy than any of the other ones. In fact, it could technically be worse. It probably won't be. Quite cocky of me to say, but I get more time practicing, so but because of that reason, we need to check each trophy individually and check if we've unlocked it. So instead of for each and checking if we're lower than that one, and then if we are, okay, this is the lowest one, let's use this trophy. It's no longer how we're going to do it. But before we get started on that, that is what we're going to be doing. But before we get started, I'd just like to let everyone know. Today I've spent a lot of time updating the overlay. I implemented my own chat into the overlay because I didn't like Streamlabs version. So we've got our own chat there. It doesn't have all the features that Streamlabs has yet, but I have more control. In fact, I have full control over what happens in there. And most of that time was actually implementing the emojis to display. So this overlay is built in Unity. Oh, actually, let me just move that into place. There we go. And yeah, I had to, whenever a message comes through, I got to get the list of emojis, download those emojis if I don't already have them downloaded in this session, and then make it apply to Text Mesh Pro, which was a pain, and then manipulate your message to then swap out for a sprite where the emoji ID is. And it all works now, and we've got some color changes too. So that's on the left. There should be another thing that's going on. I'm going to test it now, but if I click that, yeah, you should see a little pop-up. What are we working on? It's got a video. The video's not final. In fact, tomorrow I'm definitely going to be working on that video. We can actually make a Trello card for that now. To do... Oh, actually, one thing I just did right before the stream, Spotify listen along. So that's done now. You can join my Discord. The link is below in the About Me section on Twitch. And that'll let you listen to music that I'm listening to on Spotify, if that's what you're interested in. So the stream will be music free, but if you want the choice of listening to what I'm listening to, which is in this ear here, which is why I've got two different headsets on. Oh, I just paused the music by accident. There we go. My left ear is my music. The right ear is so I can hear if someone follows or something like that, any kind of alert on the machine. So listen along's done. So yeah, feel free to join the Discord channel, and it's in the listen along channel. There's a link in there. That'd be really cool. So as I was saying about the overlay, so we have this pop up here. We're going to make a task to produce a shorter project preview video. Oh, preview. That's not the word I was looking for. Preview. There we go. And then we'll label it for Twitch. Perfect. So tomorrow I'll work on that. It shouldn't take too long. I'm going to take the video that's already there and just crop it down to be a bit nicer looking in there. But when someone joins the channel, my bot should pick that up and should tell my overlay, hey, someone's joined, let's show the preview, and then you can see the game. So I'm a big fan of that, and also if someone follows, it will pop up there as well. But just in case it doesn't work, because last time I tested it, it didn't work. It worked today, but last time I tested it before stream, it seemed to work, and then I went live and it stopped working. So just in case that happens, I have the Streamlabs one as well. So we'll get both for today. We'll see if it works. You might just get one. So as is tradition, let's start by trying to beat our scores. Now we have leaderboards from the other day, so we should be able to actually see what our scores are. I'll just pop that in place. There we go. Okay, so there's no scores set from last time we played. I must have wiped the player preferences, so let's give it a shot. Terrible overshot. $8.42. Not great, but not the worst. Let's hope that it saves that. Oh no, we have a bug, guys. That was working, right? Let's try the second one. $8.82. Oh, weird. Way too fast. Way too fast. Let's try it again. Way too slow this time. 14, terrible. And the last one, my favorite. $8.80, not the best. Fairly decent scores all around though. So actually, before we start on the trophies, we need to actually figure out what on earth's gone wrong, because that was working. What is it doing? Oh, because I deleted the debug. So where might this come from? So the license state receives a update, I believe. Where are we? Set best score. Shall we see if that even comes in here? Might not even be hitting this. Oh, we've hit a breakpoint already. Where are we? I mean, this can give us some information. Maybe. So, readable score is empty, and the score is -1. The no score was set. And the trophies, we don't care right now. And this guy? Again, no score set. No score set. I'm going to assume that there's no score set. Continue on. Let me just mute this chat. It keeps vibrating my desk. There we go. There we go. So, current best score. Challenge data, yeah. Current best score should be empty, sure. Ah, but the score is -1 and it's never gonna beat that. Oh, okay. Okay. If the score is null or empty, it's not null or empty, then come in here. Or or the score does not equal -1. I think that's what we need. So if it's not empty and it doesn't equal the invalid value, then we can check it against the best score. But if it is either of those two things, we just want to set the score. There's nothing to compare it against. So we'll have to do one run through to set that score now, and then we should be fine. Nice, 814. Pretty good score. And it's still not set. Alright, breakpoint again. I was very confident that I was going to solve it. Overly confident, I think. Alright. Here we go. So the current best score should be -1. The string is not null or empty. Or if it does not equal -1, which it does equal -1, so we should skip over that. Oh, we went in there. Oh. The first, this condition was met to true, and I had the or statement, so it's just going to take this true and go, well, I don't even care about this part because this bit's true. Okay, it was supposed to be an and. Technically, it now should never ever get to be empty. However, things go wrong, so we'll still keep that thing in there. It's still a valid, logical condition. You know what? Let's, I have a challenge license. I'm just going to call it 0. The title really doesn't matter in this. I believe in creative license, it's called challenge debug. So class A, challenge debug. I think this is all empty. Oh, I delete this every single day and it just comes back. I'll have to solve that at some point. Challenge 0. Challenge 0. It was meant to be a debug one. Oops. Skybox is separate. Shouldn't be. However, I deem it a necessary oh, we never actually fixed this either. I deem it a necessary challenge now for the very first time playing the game. It's going to have the tutorial in it, basically. Could probably actually directly make that in the scene as well, which is nice. Let's update this because... Oh, no, it is. It's just called bridge still, which it shouldn't be. It should be called license stop zone manager. There we go. Now we need to go back to those values and change that to 0. And then before we actually leave this scene as well, let's add it to the list of scenes. Just one less. And we'll call it... It turns out I've not named it correctly. And then one more thing to deal with. Don't have the window open for it. Where's add tab? There it is. No, what? Ah, down here. Oh, okay, it's not there. This is what I'm referring to, the lighting. The environment, skybox. Oh, although the skybox was in the folder structure, it wasn't even pointing at that one. Awesome. Let's go to the main. Oops. Okay. Fine. Right. Oh, there should have been 5 there, no? Did I not add the... Ah, I didn't add that into this thing. So we need to plus 1 there. Oh. Mouse is acting up again. There we go. The five challenges in that class now. The first one being the easiest one of drive forwards and brake. But really ideal for testing, so we'll keep it. Oh, I'll have to remove that brake line. It helps too much. Eventually. So 5.21. There it is, 5.21. And I doubt I can get better, but we'll give it a try. Way too fast. No, but we can find out that because it's higher at 536, it shouldn't have updated. Which it didn't, so great. Great, great, great. Right, we can actually address the trophies now. So we had in the utility class a whole trophy thing that I'm now gonna delete the majority of. The score was logged out. I don't think we need that. So it now does really become for each trophy. Let's read this and find out what we're doing. So we're turning a specific trophy type, but rather than that, we actually need to return an array. No longer needs to be none. None doesn't mean anything in our case anymore, I don't think. Shame it's not TypeScript. You can return 2 different values. It's more like a list, isn't it? We don't even know. Oh, actually, we could return... We could make it 4. Why is that unhappy? New trophy array 4. Oh, trophies is here. A dictionary of scores and the trophy. I don't think that's important. We'll get rid of it. I haven't fully thought through what exactly is going to happen yet. I think we can just do this. Trophy type none. You know what? It's more like a dictionary, isn't it? It's a dictionary. At this point, it's the trophy. It's trophy. It's weird because it's trophy type to trophy type. But rare. No, it's just a ball. I was trying to include this thing, but yeah. Okay. Trophies equal a new one of those dictionaries. And then it's not that, but it was. Oh no, it was this. Oh, that's the wrong place. There. False by default. And we'll make that 4 times. We'll put bronze in, silver, and gold. So the default state is you haven't unlocked any of them. And then, come on. There we go. And then if your score is basically not valid, then return. And then if the if none of the challenges have any of the trophies have scores, then we also just want to return that you didn't unlock any of them because there's no valid scores in them. And then I assume an empty string is not a valid thing. That's what's going on there, but I might be wrong. And then we've got a dictionary of those scores to the trophy types. So I guess trophy scores. Oh, look at that. I have a trophy scores. Trophy. What would that be? If this is trophy scores, which is just an but we don't need to order them anymore. So trophy scores. And then current trophy score. Yeah, we still need to do for each. We'll go for each one. And then if that's my score is less than the trophy score, then why is that not a valid thing to say though? Trophies. It's 2 longs, no? Key value pair long to trophy type. Ah, because I renamed it. The key is the... Yeah. So if that's true, actually, we don't even need to do it like that. It can just go trophies. In fact, there's probably even a nicer way. We'll just keep refactoring this till we get it how we want it. This can be trophy score value equals that. So that would actually achieve it. I think that's good enough for now. I could to dictionary it, but might be more confusing. Let's give it a try. It might actually be a lot better. Trophy scores. So trophies equals trophy scores to dictionary, where the key, actually the key value pair is kvp dot value, and the value is the key, but without that there, and like that. That'd be shortened. There we go. It's a lot harder to read, in my opinion, especially with Rider doing all that rubbish to it. But it's effectively exactly the same thing. My mouse, my Razer mouse is still acting up today. Releasing the clicks or clicking too early. Or double clicking just when I'm not. It's very irritating. Okay, maybe it's not too hard. To dictionary, where the key is the value and the value is if the score is less than the trophy's score. Just had to read as value and key. Be nice if that you can. What did they call it? They added it in C# 7. You could name your tuples. I think you could name them. That would have been nice. Here, and then I could just name it the values that I want, and you should be able to deconstruct a dictionary's key value pair into it. But it never worked for me, even though Rider told me I could do it. It never worked. Always failed to compile. Failed to compile, that would have been a good Twitch stream name, actually. Okay, yeah, of course this has failed because that's not what it takes. So this takes a dictionary now. Ooh. And then what's that? What's that do? Trophy. Ah, okay. Oh my god. I think it's just that. Shame I don't map those. Should we do that? Let's do that. So we're gonna map the serialized values to the trophy type. So it should be easy to just go, okay, I'm looking for the visual, the views trophy type bronze, and then it can pick it straight out of here. Bronze, silver, and gold. So I'm gonna delete all of that. Yeah, and then that's in there now. So now it's just a case of going for each. Which has got a trophy name there, but we'll call that unlocked trophy. Trophies. Trophies, unlocked trophies. For each one of those, if unlocked trophy value, then unlock trophy equals trophy Key. I don't have to write anything, and this can be simplified apparently in link. Yeah, okay, that's fair, I guess. What's true. Right. Now I think we only set the values for the first, well, second one now. So we'll do the second one. This one. Oh, actually, shouldn't I have had a value right there? Doesn't appear to have worked. This is my score is 52120000. That doesn't sound right to me. Shouldn't be in like the hundreds. Where are you getting that score from? Try pass license score, string license score. Where are you getting that? Get trophy. Best score. We used that tick calculator, and we found that, if I can find it, there it is. The 8 seconds or something. It was like 10 ticks per second or something, wasn't it? Or 20 maybe? 8 seconds, 160 ticks. Well, I definitely didn't take whatever 500,000 ticks is. Or 52 million. So why is it serialized 52 million? Where did we get that value from? I have to go hunt down that bug. Set best score. Here we go. Attach. All right. We'll run an empty one, I guess. We're still, what's these symbols? These symbols have changed. Hide play mode. Hide errors. Hide edit mode. I don't know what you want. I'm just gonna, what is this? Stop. All. Good? Yeah. We'll reattach. We'll do it the old-fashioned way. Make sure it doesn't break. Alright. So, here we go. 8 seconds is 160, remember? So, we should be seeing... There we go. So, we got 8.86. So, we should be seeing something like 170? 170-ish. So, set best score. Challenge data. Get the best score. So what's your best score? Your best score is ridiculously long. Okay. 8586. Wait a minute. Oh, 886. Oops. So it's 8586. Suspiciously close to the actual minutes and seconds, isn't it? A weird 5 in there, but considering that should be more like 160. Anyway, our current time should be a lot less. So what's our current time? Where is our current time? There. So you think the current time is that? Let's follow this around. License score, which then comes from the base class, which was license stop zone manager. Takes it from this here, which is the time span from seconds. Well, there's the problem. Why would I do from seconds? This doesn't do from seconds, does it? How did this ever work? From seconds? It should be from milliseconds. How has the time ever been correct? We're literally passing elapsed milliseconds. No, we're not, though. We're not. That is seconds. Why have I wrote the variable as milliseconds? Yeah. Yeah, that's seconds. That is 100% seconds. So from seconds is fine. So a time span from seconds. Well, there's the problem. We're passing in to the score the total seconds, which is still wrong, but this needs to be ticks. Oh, it just takes a time span. Sorry. Okay, so it takes the time span, and then this takes it as ticks to string. Oh, it really messed that up. That needs that. Let's take a quick drink. Some water. So we'll log out what the ticks is, because as far as I'm aware, that should be about 170 and not in the millions. And this was working. Yeah, that's what it thinks the ticks is. Something's going wrong, isn't it? So start the timer, elapsed seconds is 0. Oh, let's log out what it thinks. Should be yeah, stop timer. Let's see what elapsed seconds is then. This was all working 2 days ago. I haven't touched it. Eight 8.49. 8.49. Hmm. Well, you can see it's milliseconds, isn't it? Is that milliseconds? It's milliseconds times a bazillion. So it's probably microseconds. Now it's even more zeros than that. I don't even know what that is. So we definitely do from seconds. Go. Elapsed seconds from seconds. 8.49 seconds. It's capable of displaying the times minutes, seconds, and milliseconds. I guess the only thing to do, if that's what it believes the ticks is, which maybe it's a C# thing, but I'm pretty sure it was 170 just 2 days ago. Then what we have to do is yeah, but the long is my longs are shorter than that. Hmm. Developer score. Long. Hmm. Maybe I just turn it into a time span. Oops. What is it doing here? Hmm. So what's wrong with this? I mean, I can see that's a mess, but it's a double. Oh, the strings. Ah. Why? Let's just make them floats. Alright. Actually, not that. Where's it gone? Here it is. Tooltip in seconds. I'll just pop down all of them so that I remember. Alright. So let's get those in seconds for each one. This is where my copy and pasting gets me in trouble when I forget something. Okay. So to translate what we had before into what we have now, I think we just need to do let's just quickly times span. We should be calling them score. We've called the other thing score, and it's... No, actually, that's not true. Let me go back. No, the score is a long. So effectively, just want to do a bunch of these. And we'll do that before we even convert them to time spans, just in case we don't have to. So now we've got all our scores as time spans, and then when we match this, is there a time span check? So time span compare less than. Okay, perfect. So then it should be wherever we have the score. So the license score comes in, we try and pass it as a long. Which is fine. Okay. Let's go down here and just go time span dot from ticks score, and then go kvp key, and that less than, is it the key? Yeah, less than or equal to my score. Is that, did Microsoft lie to me? This is a time span. Yeah. Microsoft. Oh, it's static. Do I pass? Oh, okay. My bad. What? Change all? Change all what? Doesn't that return a true value boolean? Yeah. What's going on here, man? Oh. You literally use the operator. You use the operator. It's an operator function. Go back to what we had. Okay, they implemented it in a nice way, and I misunderstood. It's like that. So if the score as a time span is less than the key, which is the trophy's score as a time span, then everything should be okay. Let's give that a try. Don't like this ticks being different today than the other day. Not really sure. why that's happened. Engage. Ah. Well, that's not true, is it? So, our scores... Oh, that just says times. That's supposed to say time span. Okay. It's not going to tell me what that one is it? Oof, that's a big... Yeah, okay, let me take this out of here. Alright, so we'll breakpoint that still. We'll attach. We'll run again. Okay, so our score is 5 seconds and 212. Yeah, okay, well that's valid. So is that time span less than the keys? Now there shouldn't actually be one. 2 point... Where are you getting 2 point and 3 point and... I didn't even put any seconds in yet, did I? Or is that 2 minutes and 35? Ah. I didn't update the serialized value for this one. So it's 155 seconds, which really, developer, let's do 7.8, bronze, 10, 9, 8.1. Sure. Okay, this should be slightly better. But that 5-second one shouldn't have had anything. Unless I duplicated, I did, didn't I? Okay. So the 5-second one's going to be broken, but this one, I got a silver 8.4. Okay, we've done it. I'm pretty confident that's right. Let's go update the serializable ones. So this, you can do it in like 5 seconds as a developer, sure. 7, 6, 6.2. No, because I got it in 5 without trying, didn't I? Okay, 4.85. There we go. And I don't know about the other ones. So there's going to have to be 0, which means you haven't unlocked anything, I think. We'll prove that in a second. So we'll just do one of these. I really messed that up. I'm not good at my own game. Break. Okay, 8.23. So we'll go back. 8.23 did not unlock us anything because we didn't set the score, so it's correct. And this got us a silver. Amazing. Amazing. We need to update these cores. They're not the greatest cores. But it works. So... You ready? We're gonna get some confetti going. Woo! Nailed it. can't do this one on stream because it requires my MacBook. Highlight, import tool fail. What does that mean? Oh my god, I don't remember what that means. Highlight. Oh. Highlight. Oh, it's a Twitch thing. Oh, I already did that. I know what it's talking about. Let me just put a description so it's clear. Highlight the last stream's failure. Last stream's moment of almost making a huge mistake. I did that this morning. And you can check that out on my Twitter. Twitter.com/born2compile. Don't forget, if you want to listen along to the music that I'm listening to right now, you can join our Discord. The link is below in the Twitch About section. And the channel in Discord is Listen Along. And you can just click join in there, and you'll be able to hear what I'm hearing. Your choice, though. Whatever you prefer. Some people like to put their own music on, and that's fine. Alright. Okay. I think I'm out of stuff to do today. Let's get rid of this log. And this one. Oops. I think we've done everything we can do without further design. So we'll call it at the end here, and we'll be back. And I will have updated my Trello again. The Trello link is in the About section on Twitch. So if you're interested in what's upcoming, or want to just keep up to date with this board that I'm looking at now, you can. The link is below. And yeah, we did pretty good. We got the trophies in. We'll figure out what to do next. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.